Hi, hello everyone. In this video, let us know the pros and cons of Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop. So stick on to this video till the end. Welcome back to our channel Dr. Technosaurusndleng. If you are new to this channel, please immediately like, subscribe or follow our channel. And if you have not seen the unboxing video of this laptop, the link for the same would be in the I button or in the description box or in the comment section below. Now let us start with the pros or advantages of this laptop. First, let's talk about the price. This laptop costs you around 80,000 and 75 or 76,000 currently in Amazon. But I suggest you all to go for offline mode. In offline stores, you get this laptop or any laptop for a good price. But while buying any electronics at a discounted price, you should be sure enough that you are buying a right one and a new product, not a refurbished product. In offline stores, you may get this laptop for somewhere around 71 or 72,000, which may be varying. So in this price range, no other laptops are offering these many features. If you are in Bangalore and looking for new computer or laptop, you can check out the store given in the description box. When you visit the store, tell them that you are the subscriber of Dr. Technosaurusndleng channel. And then you can avail discounts and free goodies on your purchase. The next advantage of this laptop is a powerful processor with a very good graphic card. It comes with a 120Hz display, which makes your experience buttery smooth while using the laptop. This laptop has a one-zone RGB keyboard which looks stunning and is silent, which gives a great experience to the user. It has an improved battery life compared to the previous version. One of the major pros of this laptop is the upgradability of storage. This laptop is not confined only to the gamers. Content creators, graphic designers, editors, as well as gamers can go for this laptop. Now let's move on to the cons or disadvantages of this laptop. The first major con of this laptop is the screen bleed issue, which is very common in Asus TUF series and Asus ROG series. Secondly, I personally feel that the speaker output is low. Then the color showed in this display is not accurate. For color grading and other stuff, I strongly suggest you to use an external monitor. So this was about the pros and cons of this laptop. Be it how many pros or cons this laptop has, I still love this laptop because of its performance, user experience and the premium feel that it gives to every user. Finally, thanks for watching.